Welcome friends, good morning, evening or night. Whenever are you watching this video, now I'm going to exercise with words by reading out loud, listening, understanding, making better pronunciation of the words. So let's get started. And also, I'm waiting for you, my dear friends. Please come and join us. That's why we will together practice by out loud reading and speaking. The blind girl. There was a blind girl who hid herself purely for the fact she was blind. The only person she did not hate was her loving boyfriend, as he was always there for her. She said that if she could only see the world, she would marry him. One day, someone donated a pair of eyes to her. Now she could see everything, including her boyfriend. Her boyfriend asked her, "Now that you can see the world, will you marry me?" The girl was shocked when she saw that her boyfriend was blind too and refused to marry him. Her boyfriend walked away in tears and later wrote a letter to her saying, "Just take care of my eyes, dear." And so, friend, this is the end of this story. Here we found a great shock. Who is he who donated both the eyes to the blind girl? No one else is her friends. He is her boyfriend, whom she loved before getting the eyes. So, may the God must have given wisdom to her to understand the reality and had married to him. So now I have to say goodbye. See you soon. Happy learning.